Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power and confirming the line is dead. This protects you and the bulb. Once done, position a stable ladder and wear gloves to improve grip. Make sure you have the correct bulb type, screw base or bayonet, because forcing the wrong fit can damage threads. Also inspect the bulb's built-in battery indicator. If it's discharged, charge it briefly per the manual before installing. Now approach the fixture and prepare to remove the old lamp carefully. You remove the old lamp while supporting it so contacts don't snap. Note orientation and any frayed wiring that needs attention. Next, insert the emergency LED bulb and seat it fully, twist or push according to the base, and avoid over-tightening which stresses the socket. Once seated, restore power just long enough to confirm the bulb's charging indicator lights. This proves the internal battery is accepting charge. After confirming, cut power again to complete any final tightening and safety checks before final testing. You finish by simulating a power outage so you can verify the emergency LED runs on battery. This confirms installation and charge status. If the bulb fails to light, make sure the bulb is fully seated, inspect the battery indicator, and check for blown fuse. Sometimes a 4-6 hour top-up charge is all that's needed. If problems persist, consult the manual and your receipt. Replace the battery or bulb under warranty. Finally, label the fixture with install date for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.